Let us see about the set. So set, where we use set, so group of values. So we can call the set as a group of values where in set the duplicates are not allowed. Duplicates are not allowed, and order is not preserved. Third point, if order is not preserved, your indexing and slicing are not applicable. Are not applicable. Okay, if order is not preserved, we know that order should be there to get the index. If I call the 0th element, if I call the 10th element, if order is preserved, then only you can do indexing and slicing. If it is not, then you cannot do it. And but what you can do here is heterogeneous objects are allowed. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Okay, let me write heterogeneous objects are allowed in this. So when it comes to growable, it is growable in nature. You can add new elements, new values inside that. You can remove that. Because it is growable in nature, you can say that it is mutable. Sixth point. So list is mutable, tuple is immutable, and your set is again a mutable. Okay, you can say this set, it is growable in nature, that's why it is mutable. So let me show you all this hands-on quickly. So suppose let me take s equal to set, and let me say that, hey, can you take the values like 10 comma 10 comma 20.5 comma, I'll say Python, comma, I'll say SQL, comma, I'll write Python again, I'll write 10 again, 20.5 again. Okay, just an example. Let me take print as fast. Let me take print type of s. Yeah, that's it. Let me run this. Yeah, you can see here, hey, first I have given 10. Where is 10? Obviously this is order is not preserved here. Order is not preserved, that's why you are getting a random output. Okay, this point is validated. Now let me talk about duplicates are not allowed. You can see I have taken 10 1 2 3 times, 20.5 two times, Python 2 times, but you cannot see that. So that's why order is duplicates are not allowed. If duplicates are not allowed, you cannot do slicing. Okay, if I try, let me show you. If I say, hey, can you please print the s of 0, we know what is s of 0, but set doesn't know, hey, what is s of 0, I don't know, because my order is not preserved. I get a random values every time I run this, so your order is not preserved. And heterogeneous objects are allowed. Obviously you can see I have taken varieties of data types here, it allows. Now let me show you how the growable in nature. So if I say a function like add function inside a set, so s dot add, we are going to see in detail the data structures of set, how exactly set works, how exactly these tuple set in detail. This is just a touch, this is just a basic. So if I just say add, and if I say print s now, so 50 wasn't there in this. Okay, now you can see, hey, I got 50, but where it got stored, I don't know, it got stored randomly, you can see. So if I say that, hey, can I remove this? If it is growable in nature, obviously it can be added or it can be removed. So I can use a function called remove, but inside this remove, I can specify the element which I want to remove. Hey, can you please remove this 10 from that? Okay, let me use print s. Let me execute. Yeah, 10 is removed. So you can add, you can remove. Now don't think on these functions, how this add works, how this remove works. We are going in detail, not to worry about it. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, keep learning.